Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be installing this hair. Yes, and I know you've seen this hair because I've been wearing it for the past 2 months, but I had this video and I wanted to show you. I just didn't want to just post me installing the hair because I thought that was a little bit boring, but I decided to wear the hair for actually 2.5 months, and then I am going to come to you and show you how I wash it, how I dry it, and so forth, and just how I maintain it overall. So this is just basically this is called a jungle braids actually. And what my sister is doing, she is going to install it, and to allow how she's going to install it, she's going to start it off like faux locks, but then the ends are going to be twist. So I just wanted that vibe because I like that method of braiding, like the faux locks at the beginning and then curly twist at the end. It just has a vibe. Plus with this hair, this is a jungle braid. They have, or the braids have loose hair, loose curly hair, like really deep curly hair, so it just gives it a vibe. So I was really loving that. So she's just doing the front portion of my hair, and then at the back she's just going to crochet that. So yeah, just sit back, relax, and enjoy this little video, little transformation. I'm going to transform from that you're seeing, like I look like a literal rooster but she's gonna transform me. Okay, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay guys, so this is, we're coming closer to the finished look. This is it. Don't mind my face, I look, a little bit crusty, but I just didn't want to do any makeup or anything. And the video is a little tiny weeny bit blurry, but you can see the hairstyle. I took pictures. It's cute or whatever. Okay, so now this is 2 months old braids. Okay, so it looks crusty as hell now, and that lot. What am I saying? My hair has grown a lot. Well, maybe half an inch, or maybe an inch and a half, or maybe 1 inch, maybe. So basically, what I do, I just wet my hair, and I use cold water or hot water. So usually throughout this time, I've been using like not cold water, hot water, just because I spend a lot of time in the AC, and also because my hair has a lot of like oils, because I tend to put a lot of oils on my roots, so I have to really wash it with hot water or warm water. But this time it was like super hot. As you can see, we're just wetting the hair, and I'm gonna go in with this Shu Uemura shampoo and conditioner. It's like Japanese, but these are some samples that I got from Sephora. So we're just gonna apply most of the product onto the roots of my hair. Okay, so I just basically apply the product to the roots, and then use my fingers to really massage the product in. I don't like wash my hair as if I'm washing my natural hair or my hair without braids, because I don't want to rip my hair out. But my roots are pretty loose, so it's very easy to like use my fingers and to just really massage the product or the shampoo in there. And my hair is not really dirty, it just has a lot of buildup like products, right? But it's not like dirty. So I just go over the procedure, keep on massaging and everything, and then I basically go in with after I use the shampoo from the hair shampoo, I go in with like a body wash. You'll see later on when I'm ready to wash the end portion of this hair. I'll use a body wash to just wash that area, because I don't have any shampoo to waste. So I just scrub it, wash it, and so forth. So as you can see, we are scrubbing, just making sure that everywhere is like properly sealed. And then now I'm going in with the body wash to rub it into that section of the hair, because it needs to be washed too. So I just wash my natural hair, not my natural hair, wash the top of the braid with the water, and then I just use a shampoo now to kind of scrub up the ends. So as you can see, the water is not dirty because my hair is not dirty, because I constantly wash my hair. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but it's summer, or it has been really hot, so we had to like really get rid of all of the oils and just the sweat and all of that from the hair. So I just rinse it now, and I'm using warm water to rinse it. So as you can see, how I rinse my hair though, you have to hold the ends of the hair because it's very heavy. Okay, when the water is on it, it's going to be very heavy. So I would recommend using like a bucket or something while you're washing it out. You just have your bucket in front of you, so your hair is not like hanging down. All right, so that's what I would recommend, just because the hair is a little bit heavy. Or you can do it in your face basin if your face basin is really big. All right, but what I'm just basically doing now, I'm just applying my conditioner to the roots, the same Shu Uemura, so that's the name. Yes, conditioner, and then I use a cheaper conditioner at the end. And as you can see, we just went ahead and rinsed the hair. And right after I did this wash, I just wore the hair for maybe like 2 weeks. After I did this wash, I just wore my hair for like 2 weeks. After that, I pulled it out because it was more than ready to be pulled out. So we did 2 months and 2 weeks with this hair, and this is how I actually maintained it. Later on, after I wash my hair, I just basically use some almond oil or any oil that you choose, serum, and I just apply it to my roots, and that's it. I don't apply a lot of product. Apply it to my roots. Sorry guys, like my phone needed to charge because I'm editing this video on my phone. So yes, I was saying apply it to my roots, the almond oil to my roots, and then use whatever is left on the palms of my hands to apply it all over the hair itself. And sometimes I might go into a little bit of like the serum to apply to the end of the braids, just so it can give it a nice sheen. But I don't like for it to be like extremely oily. Yeah, but I'm just showing you how what I do to dry it. Just get a towel, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, that's it. That's our hair, nice and fresh and clean. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Continue watching though. It's not bye bye. Continue watching.